welcome to this new video. Today we're going to talk about EmptyDir. What is EmptyDir? EmptyDir are just Kubernetes volume that is located inside your pod. So EmptyDir are volume that is located inside your pod. So it's actually a volume that is located inside your pod. And the downside is that if the volume die, if the pod die, it die with the EmptyDir volume. So the EmptyDir volume is a volume located inside your pod, and if the pod die, it die with that volume. So same as container pod are also ephemeral, right? A pod can die at any given point in time, and when they die, they are going to die with the EmptyDir. So in simple language, the EmptyDir is actually the volume located inside the pod, and if the pod die, it will go ahead and die with that EmptyDir. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so. There are a lot of video coming up. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't have to miss any video. My name is Eric Patterson. I will see you guys in the next video in our Kubernetes for Beginners series. Have a nice day. Thank you.